Alright guys, so this here is the 98 Ford. It's a F-150 6-cylinder truck. It looks pretty shitty just because it's a work truck, and this pussy has to be in every fucking video. So we're gonna let you hear what the exhaust sounds like. Now we'll rev it up because it pops, kind of. It sounds really super ricey just because it's a V6, so give me a second. So there you have it. I love that sound personally. Not very many people like it. I like it in some cases. Other than that, it sounds pretty retarded, but it can be cool sometimes. Just your opinion, I guess. So you can see this truck. There's another video of it on this channel. Just type in 98 Ford rolling coal, and it wasn't really rolling coal. It was like a white cloud came out of here because it was cold out, so it looked like it was rolling coal. So go check that out. There's another video of this on here, and have a nice day. It's the Cactus Anal.